Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to complete Form 1120 on TurboTax in 2025. This is going to be a quick one, so we're not going to waste much time on this at all. Let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first step, of course, is going to be to gather the necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your corporate tax returns and any other records supporting your corporate income and expenses. And once you have them, the next step is going to be to log into TurboTax. So go ahead and sign into your TurboTax account on TurboTax website. And once you're signed in with your email address and your password, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to complete Form 1124. Next, you're going to choose business and then select corporation as your business type. And the next thing you got to do is to enter your total corporate income, including any income from trades or from business. And next, you're going to claim your corporate deductions. So go ahead and claim your corporate deductions, including any qualified business expenses. And once that's done, you're going to complete Schedule C to report your corporate income and expenses. Now, once that's done, you're going to make sure that you review your Form 1120. And if all the information is accurate, you can go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're gonna take care of the rest from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to complete Form 1120 on TurboTax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.